I don't know what's going on.
You're making bulgogi.
You're making bulgogi. Don't remember?
Oh, yeah. By the way, do I look like a pretentious prick with shades on? Or do you think I can get away with it through the rest of the video? Yeah, are you familiar with bulgogi?
Yes.
You know Korean bar. Oh yeah, you ordered some recently from Costco.
Yes.
Did you cook it?
We cook it.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was very good. I like it.
We are going to make what I call budget bulgogi. There's really nothing budget about this other than the cut of meat. Usually you want to use like thin slices of ribeye or flank. Today we are going to use beef chuck roast. I've already pre-sliced some. I stuck it in the freezer for a little bit, took a food processor, got the spinning blade attachment, and just ran it through there in cubes. If you don't have one, then just stick it in the freezer for about like an hour, and that gives you the ability to cut really like fine slices. You know, as thin as you can get it. And you kind of want to look for against the grain. Now, I already did some, so we are just going to move on. We'll add that. 1.5, 2 pounds. It's probably a couple pounds. I don't know. You feel this. Does it feel like a baby?
It feels like almost 3 pounds.
Next we have some Fuji apples. You're gonna need some, it's usually Asian pear, but in this case we'll just use the Fuji apples. We've sliced the tips of some green onions to reserve for garnish. About 8 cloves of garlic, about a teaspoon of ginger. I julienned the carrots, the green onion stems, and 1 whole yellow onion. Wait, what am I making today? Bulgogi, oh yeah. Wait, what am I making? Bulgogi. Okay.
Smells so good.
We also need gochugaru. This is about 2 teaspoons worth. Have we improved on that word?
Gochugaru.
Gochugaru.
Gochugaru. Gochugaru.
So you need about an 1/8 cup of sesame seed oil, an 1/8 cup of rice vinegar. The vinegar and the fruit are gonna help break down the chuck roast. You need, I don't know, what is this? It's like a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Some water, about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You wanna balance the saltiness of the soy sauce with the sugar. Now, we usually like barbecue this, especially if you have good charcoal. We're not gonna grill it today, we're gonna pan fry it, stir fry sort of thing. So here's some liquid smoke.
I didn't know that such thing exists. Oh, it smells so good.
Got some sesame seeds toasted over here for garnish. Our next step is to create a marinade for the beef. So we have all these ingredients. Let's do it the easy way and toss everything into a blender. Add everything in there except for what's on this tray, the scallions, the onions, and the carrots.
Okay, so sesame seed. Ooh. Smells so sesame-ish.
Rice vinegar. Alternatives could be like mirin, or you could use apple cider vinegar, but some sort of acid. We get a lot of salty umami from the soy sauce. Just a tiny bit of water.
Sugar.
And then your favorite gochugaru. Hit this marinade with like maybe a couple drops. And a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper.
Ooh.
Don't start. That's not a song. Did I talk about Fuji apple, ginger?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's strong. That's good for our marinade. It's a little vinegary. Maybe just a tiny bit of water. At the very least, you want to marinate this for about an hour.
Okay, great.
Whatever you can spare, even if it's 30 minutes. The longer the better though, unless you have a fruit like kiwi or pineapple that'll like tenderize it too much and the meat will turn to mush.
I will give you 1 hour.
Great.
Not more.
Did I ever show you my knife? Okay, I will give you the data since you asked. So this knife took me 7 days to research, cost $300 at the time, and I have now since used it 6 times because it's so expensive. I don't want to use it. We are going to pan fry both of these separately. So we have the meat, and then we're going to pan fry the yellow onion, the green onion, and the julienne carrots in a separate pan. Then we'll combine the two and get some food in our bellies. That's basically it, a very quick and easy budget bulgogi. Do you think you could fix this up a plate?
This already looks so good and beautiful, but I have a little bit of rice tray here.
There's also like a chicken version of this called duck bulgogi, a pork version of this called deji bulgogi, which is like way spicier, but still just as good. These are some of the staple Korean meat dishes.
That you can get at the Korean barbecue, right?
Or that you can get at Costco, apparently.
Like, it's so good. Shut up.
Okay.
And we need a little bit of sauce thingy here. That looks like something that you are not capable of creating by yourself.
That is absolutely 100% accurate. That looks like something I would not have created myself. But I can't deny your artistic expression. So this looks pretty good to me. I think this whole bowl was like $10. Yeah.
I think the one we got from Costco was like around $20.
Yeah, so if you want to open up your own bulgogi business, your margins are 50%.
He's an idiot! So for those reasons, I'm out.
I'm out. Let me say it gently. I'm out.
I am Lucy's mom.
Can she just do the outro?
Yeah, Lucy should do the outro.
Okay, Lucy, what do you think? If you don't leave us a comment or subscribe to us, Lucy will be sad.